Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to calibrate the T12 tips which you use for the KSGER soldering station. You can use different tips for your T12 soldering station, and if you buy them from AliExpress they only cost you a few euros or dollars depending on your location. I have a few examples. This is a T12 ILS, a new in bag, but I also have a JO2, BC3 and a K-type soldering tip, which I'm going to use for this demonstration. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. When you press the rotary switch for 3 seconds, you enter the menu of the KSGER. By turning the knob left or right, you step through the menu items. And in option 6 you can select the tips you have and unselect the tips you don't have. This is convenient that you only have to go through the tips you have when you change one. So I only select the ILS, JO2, BC3 and K tips, and all the others I unselect. Exit the menu by pressing the knob for 3 seconds again. When you press the knob and turn it right, you enter the tip selection menu. Just select the tip you're using. Let's start the calibration process. First, select the right tip by pressing the rotary switch and turn it right to enter the tip selection menu. If the tip selected, press the switch again. Now press the switch again, but now turn left to enter the tip adjust menu, which is for the calibration process. Select start and press the switch to start the calibration process. I measure the tip temperature with a thermocouple, which is touching the tip. Put some fresh solder on the tip to improve the thermal conductivity. The calibration starts with the first point, 454 degrees Celsius. Wait until the temperature stabilizes to set the first set point. You'll see that the temperature stabilized on 465 degrees Celsius. Enter this in the real temp field by turning the knob in the right direction. Press the knob to go to the next set point. We repeat the previous step for 354 degrees Celsius. Enter the measured temperature. Press the knob again and we go to the third and last step in this process for 254 degrees. Enter the last measured temperature and the calibration is done. And the 0 is changed in an asterisk, so we have a calibrated tip now. Instead of using the thermocouple I used, you can also use this special device for measuring soldering tip temperatures. There's a thermocouple in here, so it makes it a lot easier. Thank you for watching.